Safety first.
Okay.
That's okay, in the back seat.
Yee-hoo!
Season 2!
I'm loosey goosey. I like the Georgia flag. That's nice.
Try to keep yourself in frame. What's up? Welcome back to Beyond the Check, Season 2. I'm Reyshan Parker, and I'm here with my, of course, beautiful and gorgeous wife, Jordan.
Hello.
And our fantastic director of photography, who's going to be hanging out with us all season long, the wonderful Nikki Hill. And today we are in, where are we, Jordan?
St. Simon's.
We're in St. Simon's Island, and 2020 has been rough, and we've all probably been eating way too much junk food. So today we are going to go to one of the healthiest places I could find, Sea Salt Healthy Kitchen, and get our healthy on. You want to get your healthy on?
Indeed. Let's try it out.
Jordan's going to try it. Let's see. We're going to be meeting the chef owner, Alan Ramirez, who's going to cook us up that amazing healthy food.